Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's newspaper, we read this news about the Germany. As you can see here, we learn some difficult words and we see some new vocabulary. Like you can see here on the screen, there is a small text I have taken from online article. In Folge von Inflation und Krieg klettern die Energie- und Strompreise. In Folge means in sequence, in consequence. In consequence means as a result of inflation and Krieg. You know, there was a Krieg, the war going on earlier. Klettern die Energie- und Strompreise. Klettern means to climb, rise the energy and Strom, electricity prices. Means energy and electricity prices increased Europa-wide in the whole Europe. Europa-wide. How do we write? Europa-wide. Whole Europe. So this way you have to do this. Infolge. This is important consequence of inflation and war. Then this is the verb. Klettern die Energie. Energy means a fuel price, and Strom price, electricity price. Electricity that we use at home. Europe-wide in the at the high, or we can say increased. So you can see this is the way of learning a text. This is the way we learn the text. You should know this. It's not difficult, but you should know how to do this. You must know how to attempt this kind of text. Okay, this is very, very important. Vergleichsportal haben bei Strom bereits einen Preisanstieg etwa 30% errechnet. Vergleichsportal means there are portals who compare the prices. Vergleich means compare. So there are comparison portals. There are many online or offline portals that compare. So they have errechnet. They have calculated, estimated. They have estimated or they have calculated. What they have calculated? That 30% increase, at around 30% increase. Price Anstieg. Anstieg means increase. Der Anstieg, it is a noun. Increase. The increase in the price of around 30%. It has been calculated by the Vergleich portal with the Strom, with electricity. Bereits means already, means price has already increased 30%. It is said by Vergleich portal. They are saying the price of Strom has already increased around 30%. Doch die Erhöhung gehen weiter. Doch die Erhöhung, and the increase will go further. Increase means this rise in price. Okay, this price rise, increase, rise or increase. Increase will go further. Gain weiter. Weiter means further. There are so many words we use with weiter, like weiterleiten, weiterschicken. Weiterschicken when you forward email. Weiterleiten when you forward something. So these are all with weiter. Further. Fokus online zeigt Ihnen, wie sich der Strompreis in Deutschland zusammensetzt. Focus is an online newspaper website. You can also find this news on the Focus Online. Zeigt Ihnen, show you how the Strom price in Germany zusammensets, how they have been taken up in Germany. Strom price in Germany. So Focus Online has its report. Now we see the report. It's not the entire report. It's just a small text I have taken just for the learning purpose. The price of your energy sind so hoch wie noch nie. There's a comparison. So on V comparison. The price of energy are so high as never before. Noch nie means never before. It has never been increased so high. Okay, it has never been increased so high. Lage weiter im Herbst soll sich die Lage weiter verschärfen. The Lage means situation. The situation will be verschärfen, more acute in the Herbst, in autumn. This is autumn, August, September, October. These months are called autumn. So in autumn, the situation will be very acute. It's going to be acute, means worse. The price may increase further. Die Kostenexplosion hat viele Menschen in Deutschland dazu bewegt, sich nach Alternativen zu Strom und Gas umzusehen. Die Kostenexplosion, the price increased, the explosion in the price means the price has increased so much. So we say explosion, burst out. It's too much increase, too much inflation has compelled people in Germany to move, to look forward, to look around the alternative of strom and gas. So this increased in prices, inflation has compelled Germans to look around some alternative of strom and gas. What are the alternatives? What are the other options that are available for us? See, okay. Beweg means to move further and look around. Umzusehen, to look around. What are the alternative? Alternative is as it is. Holzöfen liegen wieder voll im Trend. Holzöfen means people use holes, wood. Wieder voll im Trend. It's again in the trend. Voll im Trend. People are using wood. They get wood. Although in Germany, you cannot cut the tree and collect wood. It is illegal. Not in Germany, everywhere in the world, you have to take permission. You have to collect wood legally. So it's again in the trend. Doch ohne Strom geht auch sonst nicht im Haushalt. And without Strom, without electricity, is nothing in household. In household means electricity is very, very important. It is very difficult to survive without electricity in the household. Focus Online Site shows, wie sich der Strompreis in Deutschland zusammensetzt. It shows that how electricity prices are in Germany. Wie die Bundesrepublik im europäischen Vergleich abschneidet und welchen Zweck die anfallenden Steuern auf Strom sowie Abgaben und Umlagen haben. And what are the effect of this increase in electricity price has effect? It has regulated, okay, the data Abgaben und Umlagen, the infrastructure, the other equipments. So it has affected a lot in Germany. There is a lot of effects due to this rise in price and we can say inflation. So the inflation is very high in Germany. This news is of 25th September, very latest news, Sunday, 25th September. You can see here, this is the news of 25th September, very latest news, aktuelle. Das ist aktuelle Nachricht. So that's all in this video. I will bring some more interesting article for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.